Hello, so these are the questions that we want to answer. These questions are falling under direct variations. So this is how the question is. Make sure you follow this attentively and know how you can answer these questions. It is given that y varies directly as x and y is equal to 4 when x is equal to 6. Find the first question. Always, this is the question that you will be finding under variation, either on inverse variation or direct variation or the combination of the two. This is the first question that comes where you are told to find the constant of variation, which is a k. Then B, the value of y when x is equal to 3. The last question, the value of x when y is equal to 12. This is what you are told to find. These are the three questions that you want to answer. The first question is where you are told to find the constant of variation. So let us start with the first question. We start with the first question. We are told to find the constant of variation. So for you to find the constant of variation, what you need to do is this. You interpret the data that you are given above, where you are told that it is given that y varies directly. So y varies, this is the symbol for varies directly as x, like this. I've told you that this symbol varies is meaning equals and a k. So equal to and a k. So where there is this varies, we shall put equals and a k. Meaning that we shall have y is equal to k and there is x there. This is what we are going to have. This is what we are going to form. So this is the equation that we shall be using to answer every question that we are given on this particular question. So we want to find the constant of variation. We want to find the value of k, which is here, where y is 4, x is 6. Y is what? 4. So you put your 4 there, which is equal to k is what you're told to find, times what is x? X is 6. You do this. So if you multiply, you are going to have 4 is equal to, what is k times 6? That is 6k. You want to find the value of k. You divide both sides by 6, even here by 6. This part and this part will cancel out. You are going to have a k which is equal to, so which number can go into 4 and 6? It is 2. So this is what you are going to do. You shall say 2 there, it is 2. 2 into 6, so 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 6, it is 3. So the answer is 2 over 3. This is the value of k. Have you seen? This is the value of k which we found. K is equal to 2 over 3. Where you can now finally do this. So this is the answer that we found. So you can now say, therefore, the constant of variation, which is a k, is equal to 2 over 3. And the equation that we'll be using will now change. We're going to have y is equal to 2 over 3 and x there. So this is the equation we are going to use on the two questions which are given below this. This is the equation that we are going to be using. So the second question, if you remember very well, so we've answered the first part. Don't forget this equation which is here. Don't forget this. This is an important equation. So we move to the next question, which is on the B part. So B is saying, this is B, which is saying you find the value. So find the value of y when x is 3. So when x is equal to 3, you are given the equation that I've just from giving you that you are supposed to be using. You want to find the value of y when x is 3. So this is the same as y is equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by x, which is a 3 there. You can say y is equal to 3 and 3 will cancel out. You are going to have a 2 there. So y is 2. Or you can answer it in this way. You've got y is equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by a 3. So you say y is equal to, you know that it is a 2 that gets to multiply. 2 times 3, that is 6 over 3. Then 6 divided by 3, you are going to get a 2. Just one and the same. You can use this method or this other method. Just one and the same. So you now conclude and say, therefore, y is equal to what? 2. When x is what? 3. You are done. So this is how you need to answer the question. So the equation, this equation is going to help us even answer the third question. So that equation will help us even to answer the third question. So the third question is saying, let us move to the third question. Let us move to the third question. So the third question, we have the third question. The third question is saying, find the value of x. Find the value of x when y is equal to 12. The equation, don't forget, y is equal to 2 over 3, then x there. You know that y is what? Y is 12. So this is the same as 12 is equal to 2 over 3, then x. Over 1 there, then cross multiply. What is 12 times 3? 12 times 3, that is 36. 12 times 3, you get 36, which is equal to, here you shall remain with 2x. Have you seen 2 times x, 2x? Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. This is what you are going to do. Divide both sides by 2. 2, 2 cancelled. Where you say, therefore, x is now equal to what? What is 36 divided by 2? Definitely you get 18. So this is your answer. This is what you are supposed to do. So x is equal to 18. We found y to be 2. So now, after you do this, you now conclude, you say x is equal to 18 when y is equal to 12. This is your answer. This answer here, we are just interested on that answer. So this is what you are supposed to do. Thank you so much.